Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to edit and customize Zeal's pre-built art template. When you choose a pre-built art template in Zeal, the platform automatically fills in your business name, product image, and basic testing using the info you provided. From there, you can easily customize every part of the template by just clicking or the text to change headlines, description, and the CTAs, swap out image or videos with your own file, and adjust color fonts or logos to make your brand. You can also rearrange sections, trim videos, clip, change transition, and preview how everything will look on different platforms like Instagram or Facebook. Easily drag and drop editors make all of this easy without needing any design skills. So if you want even fast results, you can use Zeal's AI suggestions to automate, generate alternative version, and test what works best. Zeal's template gives you a ready-made starting point with a few simple clicks. You can fully personalize your art, look, message, and layout, making it feel 100% on brand and campaign ready in minutes.